Hello everybody and welcome along to another video on the Assassin Rapper, and today I'm going to be telling you how to make an awesome YouTube thumbnail. The thumbnail is one of the most important things. Now let me tell you this, if you don't have a good thumbnail, your video could suffer even if your video is absolutely brilliant. So that is why I thought it was very important to do this video to let you know how to make that awesome custom YouTube thumbnail. If you're looking for advice on making that eye-catching awesome thumbnail that is vital to get views and watch time, because it is the first thing the viewer is going to see on your channel, and if the YouTube thumbnail is awesome, well then that is going to drive the viewer to click on it. So if you want to know all about how to make a custom thumbnail on YouTube, then sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Now, you don't even need expertise in graphic design or any of this. I'm going to tell you how to easily make, as I said, an awesome YouTube thumbnail. Now this is very important if you are a small or big YouTuber or any YouTuber, because the most important thing on YouTube is to have an eye-catching thumbnail, because the thumbnail is what the viewer sees first, and if it is eye-catching and awesome, then it's going to jump out at the viewer and the viewer is going to click on it and watch your video. So in this video I'm going to be giving you, as I said, a step-by-step tutorial guide on how to make that awesome custom YouTube thumbnail, and I would like to know what you think of it below in the comment section. And if you liked the video, please give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the Assassin Rapper yet, then I would really appreciate if you did, and enjoy the video. Okay, I'm going to be creating this on an awesome website called Canva, and you put in the specs 1920 by 1080. That's HD, so that is the right specs for the thumbnail. So we're going to go over here and we're going to pick out a picture that I've already uploaded. It is easy to upload to Canva. Just press above the picture there of me, you will see upload. And I'm just going to fix this to the screen right so that it will fit really nicely to me, put the writing next to it. Now I'm going to pick a shape. That shape there is a kind of box. I'm going to put it over here, and so the writing will fit nicely in with it, and the box will create a good background. Now you can go through different colors. You can go blue, that color, this color, green, red. You can choose all different ones. I think I'm going to pick a grey. That grey looks pretty cool. I think I'm going to go with this one. Yep. Okay, now we go back into this box and we just get it the right space, and I just want my finger to be seen there, so I'm pointing to it as if to say this is how you create a custom YouTube thumbnail, and that's what it's all about. So we go over to the text and we pick out what kind of text you want, and as I said, the thumbnail is very important for the video to be successful. Now you choose the text, you can highlight the text also, and then you go up here and you can change the size of the text easily by just, as I said, highlighting the text below and then going up to this font bar and changing it. As you can see, the writing gets bigger straight away. Now I'm going to write how to create. That's written already. And I'm just going to put it up there now to the center, and I'm going to change the font to bigger just to make it barely fit the grey box. Okay, now I want it center, so I'm going to move it over more, just over to the middle here, and that looks pretty cool. Now I'm going to get the second font. I think I'm going to stick with the same font actually, but the second sentence, which will be how to create a custom. So I think I'm going to just have enough room for a custom here, And you will see what I'm going to do then next. I'm just going to write a custom. And then it's time to make it bigger. I'm just going to bring it up to below how to create. And the same process, go over to the numbers of the font size, highlight a custom, just like before, and go over to the font size. Now, it can be a bit tricky and sometimes to get it to move, to get the cursor on the right spot to move it, but that's simple, you get around that easily. You don't need no graphic design degrees for mastering it. So I'm just going to make the font bigger there, and so we have how to create a custom. Just going to center it to the right position, and I'm going to highlight it again, and I'm going to go up to bold because I want the font bold. I want it to be really eye-catching and to stand out. So now I'm just going to get it to the right spot. I don't want to leave no stone unturned. I want it to look as awesome as I can, and I just want to get the right font size. That's what I'm doing here now. So I'm going through all the different fonts. That's too big because it's outside the box. Well, actually no, I moved it close. Yeah, that's perfect. And now you'll see what I'm going to do here. I have a nice little YouTube logo in my uploads, and I'm going to put it in. Instead of just writing YouTube, I'm going to have YouTube in there with a little play icon next to it. It adds a little cool touch to it, and the red stands out nice against the other colours, and it looks pretty awesome. Now I'm going to go back into the fonts because we're going to have the last words. How to create a custom YouTube thumbnail. Actually, last word, which is thumbnail, the most important thing. That's what this video is all about. Okay, we're going to go back into the font size. And the same process, highlight it and make it bigger, and then highlight it and go to the bold tab. And now, as you can see, there's a lot of space in the bottom of the grey box, and I don't want that, so I'm going to just center the words just about right, that thumbnail is near the bottom and how to create is near the top. You will just see what I'm going to do right here now in a minute. I'm just moving it here to it be as nice as possible in the box in the right position, because I would feel like it wouldn't feel right if it was just all up to the top or all down to the bottom. And as they say, some people, when you're designing something, to don't have too much white space. But then again, look at the Beatles album. It's totally white, that new CD they have out of their album. And you will also see that a lot of things contradict themselves on YouTube. What I mean is, some things work for others and they do not for more. So this is where we're going to now. I'm going to change the font to the white. And as you can see now, I go over to the colours here and I change them to white because I think white will be brought up more against the grey. And now, as I said, remember, if something doesn't work for one person, it doesn't mean it doesn't work for you. That is very important, and I think in anything you do, not just YouTube. So we're coming on to the end of the thumbnail now. And didn't I tell you that it was easy? So I hope you're enjoying the step-by-step guide, and I hope that you will be able to make a cool thumbnail after watching this. And if you do, let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to hear from you what you thought of this video. Now it's preparing my design, and I'm saving the thumbnail, and I'm just going to blow it up in the big screen now, and we'll see what it looks like. And this is actually going to be the thumbnail I'm going to use for this video. So I hope you will like it. Well, that's it. There you go. How to create a custom YouTube thumbnail. And wasn't that easy? Well, it sure was. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you very soon.